Hi there, Stephen Leipzig with the Pressure King here, 615-516-9933. We're out here on a fairly cool night, pressure washing Dodge's Chicken. We do this every 2 weeks, clean up all their concrete for them, and it's amazing how dirty these gas stations get after just a week or two. Maintaining them regularly is very, very important, especially to keep up that curb appeal and to keep it from getting too dirty where we can't even clean it again. We use simple green degreaser on all of the concrete, and then we'll come through with hot water, 200 degrees, to really emulsify all that dirt and grime, all that oil. And then we simply rinse everything away. We've been with Dodge's for about 6 months now. They are a great small family business, and we're really happy to help them out. The concrete sure does look a lot better after we leave, and I'm glad that we're able to maintain it for them. So if your gas station's looking a little dirty or grimy, we'd love to come by, do a free test spot for you, give you a quote on getting on a maintenance plan so that you are truly presenting the best image to your customers. Our website is thepressureking.com. Thanks so much.